Hello, so this is Quinn. This is an installation video for your external NVMe drive for the storage. So you take this is your, it's called an M.2 NVMe drive, and this is your enclosure. And you're gonna wanna put these pins, you can see this little bit, like a hole right in there. And you're gonna wanna put these golden pins on this drive right underneath the plastic, this plastic right here, but above those little metal parts. So above the metal parts, but underneath the plastic. And it's gonna feel bad, but you kind of just push it in there, boop, and then once it's in, it should be, all those pins should be disappeared underneath the plastic part, and it should stick up like this a little bit, and that's normal. And you make sure this is straightened out and push the drive down over this little plastic bit. Oh, I missed, there we go. And then slide it over until it doesn't pop up anymore. So now it is seated into the enclosure. Everything's good. If yours doesn't have that, it should, but if it doesn't, there might be like a screw that you just kind of screw in, but there will be a way to hold it down. And then you just take the top, close it like that, and you're good. The other side, there's a little USB-C port. Plug it into your computer. And then to open it back up, it's a little button on this side. You click it, you can open it, and then take it out, replace the drive, whatever you want to do. Just reverse the steps, open this up till it pops up, and then pull it out. So that is, it's pretty simple. Don't force anything too much. This is a little tough, but kind of wiggle it in and it'll go. Try not to break anything, obviously, but yeah, that's how you do it.